US. So there are some documents that we have to sign wherein we have to declare that taxes are going to be
Okay, thank you very much. What about the other vloggers present?
No, Your Honor, no, I don't earn anything from social media. And like I said, I do not even want to consider or categorize myself as blogger.
Well, how do you want to define yourself?
I'm just an ordinary Filipino, an advocate of free speech and good governance. Nagkataon lang po, kumbaga accidental lang na may mga nagkaroon ng following. Pero yun nga po, opinion lang din ng mga pinagsusulat ko. And I don't blog, I don't consider myself a blogger, and I don't earn from blogging.
Okay, and Ms. Chu?
Sir, I have never earned from blogging or any social media pursuits, whether
None,
endorsements or not. Thank you.
Tapos sino pa po ba yung iba nating mga... lahat po ba kayo? Mga vloggers din po kayo lahat? Oh yeah, so can we get your... we haven't heard your voices. Can you introduce yourself also at the same time?
I'm Dr. Richard Mata, Your Honor, from Davao City. I'm a pediatrician basically, so I pay taxes as a pediatrician. Regarding my monetization, I had a monetization sa Facebook, but then again, nag-demonetize na naman. So basically, as of now, wala pa po. YouTube, zero po.
So sa Facebook, malakas, no? From what I've been gathering from among you, sa Facebook, meron. Sa TikTok, wala masyado. Tama po ba yun? Maliit lang.
Yeah, in a sense, yes, where you focus upon, doon yung pwedeng i-monetize automatic,
Okay.
usually.
Okay. Yeah, so just sorry.
Yep.
Sorry for my ignorance on this matter. And the next lady.
Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Ethel Pineda Garcia. I just use Facebook. I don't do YouTube. I don't do TikTok. And I have never monetized my account.
Okay. And then the next, yeah.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. I am Mark Anthony Lopez, and I have no credentials whatsoever. I'm just using my Facebook and my Twitter account for my own personal use. It's not monetized po. Although sa Facebook, meron po ako natatanggap na remittance because may mga nagla-like po dun sa aking post. And yun po, part yun ng Facebook monetization. Pero hindi ko po yun sinulisit or hindi ko po yun in-arrange with Facebook.
Yun ay kusang donasyon sa inyo?
Automatic po.
Paano pong automatic? Hindi ko po maunawaan.
Pag nag-like po, meron pong option ng mga readers na pwede po nilang
Send.
i-monetize yung like nila.
Okay. Thank you.
So yun lang po ang natatanggap ko. Nung last month po, natanggap ko po 86 cents.
Okay. Okay.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. Aaron Peña po, Old School Pinoy. So, sa Facebook po and YouTube, wala po akong monetization. Sa YouTube lang po, pero hindi na po ako masyadong nagagamit ng YouTube.
Okay.
I'm Manuel Mata Jr. po, also known as Coco Locoy. And I just want to inform you all first na wala po ako natanggap na kahit anong invitation from show cause order and subpoena. So, ako po, wag nyo pong ilabas po yung aking monetization kasi baka ipasok nyo po ako sa 4-piece. Kasi halos wala po ako nakukuha. And I was demonetized since last 2023, November, and I was just earning like para makabuo po ako ng 5,000 like 3 months, 4 months.
So kayo lang po, no? Wala na po bang iba? Okay. Okay. What about from the other side? I just wanted to get an idea of how the industry works, just so that we can have a better understanding when it comes to regulations and contracts that you guys enter into. When it comes to financial contributions or contracts that you enter into. So, is that it? Wala na po bang iba?
Mr. Chair, just a quick interjection.
Yeah, go ahead.
Germaine to the question of TSJJ. Gusto ko lang tanungin, did I hear it right? You said that you were demonetized. Somebody demonetized, sorry.
Yes po, your...
What's the reason why you were demonetized? Maybe you have... What's the violation that you committed? I'm sure there's a violation.
Okay. For those nakakakilala po sa akin, I started in TikTok. And kasi po, ako po yung tao na I want conversation. I want content versus content. And there are times na when I answer another person's content to encourage content versus content para po nagfa-fact checkan, because I am not saying na ako ay isang news teller.
Sir,
Ang
what was the exact violation you committed?
Iba-iba po, because I lost 24 I was took down 24 accounts sa TikTok. I also lost my first Facebook account. I also lost my first Facebook page.
You do admit that you have and possess multiple accounts?
No po, I needed to create another account because yung iba po one day pa lang, lalo na during the time of Bongbong Marcos, during the election of 2022, lagi po akong minamas report kahit wala pa man din akong ginagawang content.
Okay, sige. Anyway, so thank you very much. So I just wanted to find out, Mr. Chair, kung paano po kasi yung arrangement nila, kasi kung sila po ba nakakatanggap ng pera or any sort of financial contribution or contracts, with the work that they do. Mr. Chair, can I forward my next questions to Commodore J. Tariela? Yeah. Commodore Tariela, ako po kasi talagang naniniwala ako na yung West Philippine Sea atin yun eh. At ako talagang saludo ako sa pinakikita mo na ipinaglalaban mo ang soberenya ng ating bansa. Have you ever been a victim of fake news, malicious attacks on the internet when it comes to safeguarding and protecting the territorial and matters that affect the Philippines?
Yes, sir.
You have?
Yes, sir.
And what were the nature of these attacks?
Well, primarily, sir, they are calling me as a U.S. lapdog. I was recruited for CIA that even my mother cannot believe. Sa mukha-mukha lang, sir. Pero sinasabi nila I'm a CIA agent. They are also saying that I am receiving talent fee from the U.S. Embassy. At one point, they also said that I went to the residence of Speaker to receive 3 black bags. Those kind of things, sir.
And were these attacks from Filipinos or from foreigners?
From Filipinos, sir.
From Filipinos?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm sorry for my ignorance. Are those Filipinos present in this room?
Yes, sir.
They're here now?
Yes, sir.
Can you point them out?
Mr. Mark Lopez, sir.
Mr. Mark Lopez. I can't seem to... Who is Mark Lopez? Oh, there. Okay. Mr. Mark Lopez, so dito po sinasabi ni Commodore J. Tariela na meron ka daw pong mga isinusulat na hindi makatotohanan laban sa kanya. Pwede mo po bang ipaliwanag ito?
Baka po si Commodore Tariela po ang dapat magpaliwanag kung ano po yung sinulat ko.
Okay, yes, please. I mean, I want to understand because I want to know, because you're a uniformed personnel of the Philippine government,
yes, sir.
No? And your duty is to uphold the Constitution and to fight for sovereignty and for the protection of the welfare of the Filipinos.
Yes, sir.
So I want to know, because if he's a Filipino and he's attacking fellow Filipinos, medyo red flag po sa akin yon. So pwede po bang ma-share mo pa ang uri ng mga sinabi ni Mark Lopez laban po sa inyo?
Yes, sir. Last February 5, 2025, he posted it on his X account. Si Jay Tariela ang masigasig